this is pintade chicken. Is this pintade chicken, love?
Pintade, not chicken.
This is pintade, not chicken, but it can fly like chicken.
No.
What?
It's like turkey.
It's like look like turkey, but it's not turkey. These are the ingredients. Kawawang manok.
I don't have.
You don't have. What do you have in this house?
Nothing.
Minced veal with crushed hazelnut
And then,
and you call it in English.
but this one you mean?
Yes.
I don't know what is this. Oh, this one, okay. I don't know what's this in English. Castañas in Espanol.
Chestnut.
Oh, chestnut. Okay. So you are going to stuff that with
Ready?
Make a kind of sausages
okay.
and stuff it inside the pintade.
All right.
Forgot the one.
Kawawang manok, kinatay na, kakatayin pa ulit.
Put the foie gras inside.
No, you have to, oh, okay, you can open both sides.
You have to open both sides.
All right. That's pretty cool. Be careful not to. So you mean you will put foie gras on it?
Yes.
Hindi pa lang ganyan.
That's what it is.
Did you put the stuff inside?
Yeah, it's already stuffed here.
No, what about this one?
Yeah, it's already inside. I covered.
What's inside?
Here, it's inside.
I know what's inside.
They
The minced meat?
Yeah,
Okay.
they mixed.
Put butter side of the dish.
And chestnut.
Add some water,
Half a glass of water.
half a glass of water.
It's not a good knife.
Where is the cover of this one? You throw it there?
No. Somewhere.
Punta ko bukas ako. Nakalimutan ko ng courgette. Walang courgette sa dito meron.
Bon voyage! This is cream, fresh cream with boiled celery. This is the pintade.
Wala na. Eh.
Why?